You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word, this one, from geometry and more generally mathematics. More confusing names of different shapes. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got many more. Trapezoid is how you pronounce it in English. Trapezoid. Zoid, yes, the stress is on the first syllable. Listen carefully again. Did you get this? Trapezoid. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Now you know. Trapezoid. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.